Okay, welcome to Dane Valley Woods. We're on a tree planting session today. We've got lots of members of the public here planting trees. I'll give a quick demonstration of exactly how we do plant trees here in Dane Valley Woods. We're going to be using a method called pit planting, which first requires you to dig a hole. Fortunately, here's one I prepared earlier. Very variable soil here, but basically what you want to do is to dig a hole that's big enough to accommodate the roots of the width that you're about to plant. Now this particular one is a field maple, and a mighty fine example too. Now what you can see on this particular tree is the roots at the bottom, and then what's known as a collar here, which is the height at which the tree was planted in the nursery. And what you're trying to do here is to replicate that actually out now it's being planted out. So if we pop the tree in the hole, we can see that it's just about deep enough. So bits of rubbish aside, pop the soil back into the hole, keeping the tree vertical, and as you go just firm the soil down. The idea of this is to get rid of all of the air pockets around the roots, so that when it does eventually rain, it's not going to have lots of pockets of water around the roots which are going to cause it to rot. See, that's already quite nice and firm. So the rest of the soil in the hole, firm it down, and then finally the turf or the bit of grass that came out at the beginning can act as quite a nice mulch for the tree. We will come back and put wood chips around these later on in the year, but turn that upside down, put it around the tree, and then finally we do what's called heeling in. So it's just walking around the tree, being careful not to scrape your heel down the bark of the tree and take the bark off the tree. So should be able to give that a good tug. That's not going anywhere, and there you have it, one field maple tree in Dane Valley Woods, and hopefully we're going to be planting 300 or 400 of these today.